They that pick up corn refuse say there is no more.
Excuse me?
They that they pick up corn refuse, the same as when they pick up other rubbish.
Do these guys collect the garden refuse?
Yeah,
Uh,
the same way.
no, it's got to be 2 different days, I think.
Yeah, but it doesn't die, they have to take it.
Yeah, I think that most days those guys just either they ignore it if it's there on the side, or you just leave it inside. So like when the truck picks it up, it just falls in with the rest. But
Yeah, they leave
then,
it there in the corner.
yeah,
And then when that truck comes on Tuesday, put it next to those bins
okay,
in the street, but look at it, because if you don't, if nobody takes it, then these Tutsis that come and walk around here,
yeah,
they break it open, they take it back, they throw the leaves on the floor.
yep,
So then you must just make sure that you bring it back into the property.
okay, no
I'm
problem.
not sure what service it is, as far as I know, we put ours aside with the other stuff. It goes different truck, he comes past to collect it, because it's garden refuse.
Uh,
And perhaps they don't collect it, then you have to take it away ourselves.
yeah, that's the only issue.
It must go there to the garden refuse dump off the city of the past university. The neighbor street is making all these leaves.
It's,
That is this thing,
yeah,
all the sugar.
it's probably not. Okay, cool. So I was a bit stressed here now because, like, where is it on the 15? I wanted the market to at least trade back up into the gap, then dump. But I've seen that there's this massive 4 hour unfold fair value gap. And I can imagine that the 1 minute wants to do something audacious. So, profit is at least, look, I recuperated a bit. I got what, 17 bucks, 20 bucks back. I didn't want to, because I want to risk $50 on a trade. You see gold here. I was I was watching it come up here, but I'm looking for this level way down here, and I'm just gold. It can just be so iffy and all. So depending whether it's just to move this trade history stuff, regardless of whether it's US 500 like now, um, what I like about the ES equivalent is US 500 cash now is that the margin requirement is much lower than the Nasdaq. So I actually want to connect this to a monitor so that I can see it a lot better. Trading on screen is just like I hate it so much. What you gonna do when they come for you, bad boys, bad boys? But if you just look at the 1 hour quickly, right? So it's gone and it's cleared this low here, right? But uh, you know, for fuck's sake, just get me. You see this here in terms of all of this sell side and this 1 hour unfold fair value gap. So maybe it's good. Let's see if the 4 hour also made one. So you see that the 4 hour has this massive. I hate using MT5 to do my analysis, but you see that unfold fair value gap in terms of the 1 hour. On the 4 hour we have this nice 1 hour order block here. Sorry, this nice 4 hours. So let's make this one a nice orange. And then I would say, cool, if you want, like a somewhat decent reaction, and if you don't want to be late, then I mean, I can see how you might want to trade the 1 minute, but I'd rather kind of wait for the 5 minute or say like a 1 minute model of if we get a propulsion block. And then we have news coming up at 8:15 as well. So when it's 3 o'clock my time, that's going to be 8 o'clock in New York. And then I will close any and all positions. And because it's such a big pull away, I mean, like, damn it. Like let's use this fucker here. From 59.46 to right now. So that's a 56 point move, right? If I manage to get on 4 or 5 positions, I would make a very, very healthy amount of money. And that's just here in terms of NASDAQ as well. So that's what I'm trying to see. Gold, I've clearly said what I want in terms of these lows. I was obviously trying to get busy here this morning and it, kind of faded me here. And then I wasn't watching it when gold was all the way on top here. Sorry, I just had a fart, damn it. That one came from my soul. So yeah, you see, like US 500, let it dig down lower. You obviously might want to clear some, other lows. What you gonna do when they come for you? Anyways, let me get a coke. And then, just for the sake of discipline, we'll stick to the 5 minute. If the 5 minute gives me any sort of buy model where this can be my target and I can pyramid onto it, then I'll consider going long. Or if I get a buy model in the next macro. I mean, maybe who knows? News might even fucking throw it all the way up into that gap. And if I must stay in the trade, then so be it. And you know what? Just because I can, I'm gonna risk the entire $200 on a setup if I see it. So we go full margin. If the trade does work out, I can make like 700 rand. If it doesn't, oh no. Someone wanna be man, just pussy for breakfast. Gold. See, it's not closing past this low is a bit concerning. Might want to see it push up a bit again. Who knows? I don't know why I was so open to trying to buy here and disrespect, very good sell side. So, but it's nice when it falls like a knife because somebody is waiting to time it. Maybe you can fall and chop a node and then, sheesh. This could actually be a 1,200 rand trade right here. No bullshit, no bullshit.
You practically mocked us for the two bodies we let you off on in 2015. I got bodies from way back. I spent a lot of bonds. Once I beat my case, I did it back. You literally signed a letter on oath saying you'd stop mentioning Tuka's name. I say that every time he asks. You told us you don't actually mean anything that you say in your songs. So everything I say, I mean it. You practically mocked us for the two bodies we let you off on in 2015. You literally signed a letter under oath saying you'd stop mentioning Tuka's name. You told us you don't actually mean anything that you say in your songs. So everything I say, I mean it. You practically mocked us for the two bodies we let you off on in 2015. You literally signed a letter under oath saying you'd stop mentioning Tuka's name.
Why the fuck is it just pulling away like this, dude? Fuck.
You practically mocked us for the two bodies we let you off on in 2015. mentioning Tuka's name. You told us you don't actually mean anything that you say in your songs. So everything I say, I mean it. You practically mocked us for the two bodies we let you off on in 2015. You literally signed a letter under oath saying you stop mentioning Tuka's name. You told us you don't actually mean anything that you say in your songs. So everything I say, I mean it.
Alright, $10 is gonna make me how much would it be? 107. Okay, fair. Let's see. Oi, would you look at that? That's already about 1 hour reached. Let's see. Well, not yet. Well, that's about 1 hour. Okay, fair. Right now, where can we pyramid? The Nasdaq is also following the same trend, kind of. Um, I would like to add at this highest up close candle, so this purple box, if the market there can give me a chance to do so. So this TP would be about $100. So this account will be on 300 and something then. Um, I mean, also because we've made this inversion fair value gap here. Okay, this one right here. See, now I'm going to struggle with this fucking rectangle shit again. Thing is, this would be a long ass draw. Like this would take hella time to actually go and reach the target. Because if cross past this inversion fair value gap, I would move the stops just a bit higher to make it $8. So that if the market trades back into now this gap which it made here, which complements the inversion, I can possibly also just add another one, which would make the risk like now what 20. No, it actually open up the risk quite a bit. Let's delete that rectangle. Wild work, red odd. So red and orange make green. Oh, Haagen-Dazs. Yeah, okay, yeah, good. Yeah. So is that inversion gap high? Just one price to just really jab into there. Oop, I throw on one more. There we go. I'm gonna give this one some room. So total stop loss is $21. Total potential TP, that's 80, 90, 190. Obviously now this has a good chance of just not working out. But then I've lost 20 something bucks. It's like the equivalent of I went to go buy a Coke. Right? Consider this. I bought a Coke, but I might get a nice chocolate out of it. Where is that thing? I'll just circle back every 5 minutes. But if you look at Nasdaq on the 5 minute, right, it's made a an inversion here. So it might even pull back by quite a bit. I mean, we're just expecting it before, you know, at least delivering higher, if not all the way up into that 15 minute, you know, shits that ain't been traded to. If you look at Nazi on the 1 minute, also very good buying opportunity as well. This is why, like, if I had a funded account and I just had Nasdaq to trade, nothing else, if I wasn't allowed to touch anything else with any currency pair, 1.5 R, close 80%, let and then yeah, run as run. So you see, I'm up $13 now, $8 now. You could easily dip below this low before seemingly want to continue higher. But you see, if this 5 minute were to make an inversion fair value gap here, then I'd be like, okay, no, cool. I don't see anything in terms of a move higher. Um, but I mean, like, okay, fine. Let's take away my completely outrageous TP. This, even in terms of just filling this gap here for $43 here, is not outrageous because that would give me 43 with that position, and then this TP of 38. So it would be quite helpful if it hit the take profit, but if it decides to be a suicidal bitch and doesn't want to, then it can also go fuck itself. So um, now it's just a waiting game, unfortunately. Must I go play some Call of Duty? Now, like, I just want to link my card and then I can play online. Actually, so like sometimes it's where like I mustn't be a pussy. You want this down close candle here of the 5 minute to close outside of this fair value gap. Then even if the next one trades a bit lower but closes above, then that's fucking phenomenal. I actually look. I do wish that I got involved with Nasdaq instead because it does seem to have the better potential move. But I mean, this has already formed a move against. You see this inversion it's made here, and like a prop lock, but it's a very weak one. So it's all about the 5 minute candle. And the one thing that I've realized that I've got to become open to is it's just losing, man. Like I don't no amount of avoiding the live markets. Like let me come here and let me come with a set of rules. And if my rules don't work out and what I'm doing is seemingly stupid and I just can't seem to find any sort of profitability, then that's on me, right? Then it's like, okay, cool, dude. Like clearly it's not working. But if I come with this false sense of demo hope, you see now with the 5 minute, that's concerning. Like I said, I didn't want it to close within this gap here, at all. But it's the next 5 minute candle. We are now in the macro, so I've jumped down to the 1 minute. If you look at this whole inversion fair value gap, I'm gonna want to see a bullish change in the state of delivery here on the 1 minute if my bias is to be supported, and then higher prices. I have no interest in price moving lower right now. This I'd like to see as IOFED, so this low does not get, price mustn't revisit it. And then I want this down close. For fuck's sake, I keep moving something. But you see, when you have this form of, I don't know if the word is disrespect or whatever, but when prices, when the up close candles are keeping prices lower and you're trying to buy, it's never a good sign. Um, but like I said, you know, 5 minute gap is kind of one of the last hopes. If the market does close past that level, which is now the green one, within the next how many minutes? Within the next 4 minutes, then I know that okay, cool. The move is likely invalid because why would it be making, you know, a fucking um, inversion fair value gap when you have a 15-minute unfold fair value gap way on top here and you have that massive 4 hour. An alternative would be to say, okay, dude, count your losses, wait for price to create a breaker, give the market sufficient time, and then once I've given it that time, then I can see where I can get involved. But stops are in, rules are in. Now it's just waiting.
2015. Off on in 2015.
I am now the alpha.
Have you ever seen that video? No. Pull that video up, because it's one of my favorite Trump speeches. Socialism promises prosperity, but it delivers poverty. Socialism promises you. Really, really funny. I like
Your way of telling. It took them 25 tries to make spaghetti. Spaghetti. No. I went to a palm reader last week and then she said, if your hand is bigger than your face, then you have cancer. I don't mind, but that's just because I hate little kids.
that was just funny.
Yeah, and look, Nasdaq and ES seem to be not entirely correlated. I mean, obviously, a close below the gap would be far from ideal. If it reaches way down here, obviously, that's where my stops are.
Tries to make spaghetti. Spaghetti.
15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. Will you close below the green box? Shall you do it? Shan't you do it? Oh, but you've opened with a volume imbalance. Oh, that's not quite great. I'm actually breaking quite a few rules by trading today. The number one rule that I have, and I'll show it here on YouTube, because I hate markets like this. It's whenever you have, say today's Wednesday, you have USD news at 8:15, then at 8:30, then at 2 p.m. there's FOMC meeting minutes. Avoid that whole date or avoid anything USD because it's just because I just feel like the price action is never as clean. And to be fair, if I go to XM and I just look at today as a whole, say like London, right? You want to come and trade in London, it's not really good price action. Then during that kind of crossover into New York, then suddenly price action, slightly improves. But then you get this massive dump, which you're not really a part of. And then again, when you get into session, there's all this, buying and selling and whatever. I just think it's a shitload of consolidation. If we close below here and make another bearish prop block, so let's get one of these rectangular lines or these horizontal. For fuck's sake, I just want a horizontal line. If we close below that and you make another bearish prop block within the next 5 minutes, then I wholeheartedly believe that then, okay, price is going to be dumping, and then I would have taken, in terms of a loss, a $10 loss, which will put me at 194. Sorry, 100, huh? Yeah, 194. I just think that also on the 1 hour, there was a sell side that we were talking about here. Seems like a very nice prop block to also just kind of trade into. Because now, if you don't trade into that one, you're kind of just leaving all of this other stuff. Or should I say, you're rather just neglecting. You're not paying full on attention to what the Marciado is telling you. But I mean, look, because we're in the macro, I'm not going to sort of ignore the 1 minute because it's not showing things all in my favor. But, you know, I do not want to see price close below this inversion. If you get that close, then I mean, even in terms of like my initial long, it was after this candle, this highest up close candle. We've literally closed past it, so yeah, no, I don't have faith in this trade anymore. And also, it's going to be 15 minutes before file. I wonder how much I lost on this one. Yeah, the $10 loss I was speaking about. It's entering a new hour, right? The 1 hour looks like this. There's this unfilled gap down here. I've just been trading up, down entirely. So I'll retire myself. I mean, we can always just stay on the 5 minute here and see whatever it chooses to do. But we are approaching a news event. It's about 17 minutes before. Yeah, it's craziness.
Elon knows how to piss people off because in 1841 was elected the first combustion car in 1848. You think if we really wanted a goddamn electric car in 180 years, we could figure it out when Saudi Arabia, King Saud said so, and not a microsecond before. Elon Musk has been saying this for 25 years. Another thing, you know how long aerospace industry you literally pick a rocket up and bring it back down and use it over and over again just before World War II. And Elon Musk is the first guy that did it in '98, and that's why he said when he's going to colonize Mars.
This is not just playing under government. We're aiming for a production rate of one a month, but right now we're at a production rate of probably one every 4.
Indeed, when Young Thug said,
Ah! Fuck off. Fuck off. I pussied out of it. And now look at me. It made the bullish change in the state of delivery and it just fucked off. Okay. Fair enough. Fair enough. I'm not going to chase anything. Ah, you son of a bitch. You son of a bitch. You see, you broke your own fucking rules about the 5 minute. I said, if it closes, did it close? No. Ah! The urge to just start full porting on like every single dark post candle. You motherfucker, man. Fuck off. Must I do it? Down close candles. And we just must I full port it? No, Uri, don't do it. I will regret this tomorrow. Okay, there's my regret number one. That's $14. Yeah, but I'm gonna use the 30-minute one. I'm not gonna use this fucking other one. Oh, so now the one time I want this tool, because that's $13. Okay, wait, let's go again. I just need one more trade down, and then or like into a gap, and you see. Or if you make this like a prop, come back down a bit, and down again, and down again. Perfect. I'm going to regret this. I know it. It's fine. Don't fucking lecture me on any bullshit. I just bought a shitload more at that fucking propulsion book. Ah, idiot, idiot. You know that it's 100 and something dollars. We can afford a bit of drawdown. Let's add a bit more. $30 now. 45, $50. Margin is not on my side, man. All right, now I'm gonna watch this on the 30-minute. All of your TPs are here. $8, $8, $8. Obviously, if she fucking blows, she's gonna blow. Oh, $70 now. Ooh, $66. Not looking good, lads. $67, 60, $70. Oh, $72. Uh, no trust. I can feel the fucking regret now because I knew that like the market obviously you run the risk of it, pulling back way too hard against you, and like your margin is fucking suffering and you're gonna get margin called. But I'm completely just relying on the market trading up into this unfilled fair value gap. So I'll go stand outside and I'll see if this shit hits. If it hits, the account will go to like 250, and if it doesn't, well, oh well. Yeah. That was stupid. I know now. Now I'm having obvious regrets. $80. Gee, fucking was $90. This is the pullback of the fucking century, dude. $92. Oh, that's not nice. That's not pretty, that pullback. 109. I'm gonna get liquidated soon. 112. It's just pulling back so much. 125. Lads. This is not good. It's even a fucking news day. Let's see what Nasdaq. You see that? Yeah, it's just okay. There's still hope. There's still hope. 117 now only. All right. And now we must hoy. Now it needs to go up here. So if we drew this gap here, right? We just needed to get up to like okay, guys. There's the first bit of hope. Maybe it'll kind of do the same, like bullish change in the state of delivery here. Ooh. Oh, news in 5 minutes. Okay, well, I think if it comes back down to this rectangle, this account will definitely be blown. Um, so like I literally just want to see what like news does. 91. I can still close the account and save it here. Only negative 88. If I close it here, there'll be something left for tomorrow. Oh, dude, I bought at the fucking peak a bit there as well. Oh, 86, 88. It's not looking good, boys. Because now the 5 minute made a gap down here, right? I fuck with this stupid flip now. You see this gap way down here now. Ugh, and once it digs into that, I'm gonna lose so much. Okay, let's go 1 minute and try and take off something just to fuck. Which one is eating so much? Is it this $19 word? $80, $70, $68. Come on, 30 minute. You can't fail your city. 73, 75, 71, 78, 70, 66, 64. Come on. Can the 5 minute drive it to glory, mate? Oh, fuck me. Yeah, I know, obviously, right? Way too much risk on. All right, let's hope this bullish change in the state of delivery here can help push prices higher now in the 1 minute. If this one doesn't work, it's time to kiss the account group. Goodbye. News is coming out in 4 minutes. Inshallah. There's news coming out. Let's see what the news is gonna do. Bullish sharing instead of the delivery. Okay. Okay. Gooi it higher, please. Don't do it there. Come on, just a bit higher, you bitch. Just a bit higher. Let's just. I literally just want to see that 30-minute inefficiency traded to. The 1 minute goes back to $50. I'm gonna close it. How come this news was so fucking weak? Come on, $16. You would see. I was expecting just a little bit more of a push, bro. Literally, take that candle high, and I will close out. Take the candle high. Take the candle high. I get out break even. Come on, take the candle high. Take the fucking candle high. Ugh, this is a shit news event. If it goes negative 44, I close out. Yeah, I'm out. Fuck that. I'm not getting caught up. GG's. Absolute session today.